Congratulations! Your loan has been approved. Now begins the process of moving your loan to the closing stage. In this video, we'll discuss the steps of the closing process. But first, here are some important things to remember while your loan is in closing. Don't make any large new purchases. Be careful not to increase your existing personal or business debt, as well as credit card balances. Do not apply for new personal or business debt or credit cards. Make sure your business entity is set up if you haven't already done so. To begin the closing process, we first need to review your loan commitment letter. Your BDO will reach out to you as soon as possible. Once you've signed and returned your loan commitment letter and deposit, we can move your loan to our closing department. At this point, your BDO will reach out to get some contact information from you. Please provide your BDO with complete contact information for your attorney, your accountant or CPA, your business insurance agent, your life or disability insurance agent, your landlord, if applicable, and the franchisor, if applicable. If you need a referral for any of these professionals, let your BDO know, and they can provide you with a list of qualified people. Once your loan is moved to our closing department, a loan closing specialist will be assigned to you. They will provide you and your attorney with a loan closing checklist that has been customized for your loan. Don't worry about interpreting the checklist on your own. An all-call will be scheduled with you, your loan closing specialist, your attorney, and the bank's attorney, so everyone can review the checklist together. Here are the first things your loan closing specialist will need: a fully executed company legal documents for all business entities that are borrowers or grantors on your loan, federal tax ID numbers for all entities, a purchase agreement. This can be a draft if all parties have agreed to it. Copies of any vehicle titles if vehicles are included in the purchase. As you go through the closing process, here are some things to remember. Please monitor your email account daily for messages from your loan closing specialist and respond as quickly as you can to any request. When you get something on the closing checklist, send it to your loan closing specialist through our secure nCino customer portal. Don't hold things back in order to send one big batch. You will receive an updated closing checklist every week, showing all the items we've received, reviewed, and approved, as well as what's still outstanding. Verifying your equity injection is a very important step. We suggest you establish your business bank account immediately, transfer all required funds to that account, make all required spends prior to closing only from that account, and send copies of all bank account statements to your loan closing specialist as you receive them. Now for the big question: when will my loan close? Loans typically close 5 business days after all documents on the closing checklist have been received, reviewed, and approved. Typical closing times are between 30 and 60 days after you return your signed commitment letter and deposit. If you have questions at any time during the closing process, reach out directly to your loan closing specialist or business development officer. We're here to help get your loan closed correctly and as quickly as possible.